Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about Brilliant Finish Car Wash. Brilliant Finish Car Wash earns its name due to the brightness enhancers that are part of this formula. The formula not only effectively cleans your vehicle, but will actually impact the finish in a positive way, preventing streaks while drying and adding a pop that you will notice when you're all finished. The soap is pH balanced so that it retains any wax or sealant base coat you may have on your paint, which makes it ideal for routine washing. Brilliant Finish is our highest suds in car wash solution, which not only helps you to track where you've been as you wash your car, it also makes it a great option for use in either our foam cannon or foaming sprayer. To use Brilliant Finish, add 1 ounce of solution per gallon of water used in a traditional hose and bucket method, or for use with one of our foaming tools, add 2 to 4 ounces of Brilliant Finish to the reservoir and fill the balance with water. Shake it up and you're ready to foam. Thank you for watching. For more information on Brilliant Finish Car Wash, go to griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.